So today we are going to be going over the scavenger hunt portion of our study abroad trip. We're using this program called AirPano, which lets us get this absolutely awesome view of Berlin. Kind of a little before we start the scavenger hunt, just a few things we learned doing this is one that Google Maps has a lot more options in terms of views and locations. Berlin only has, as you can see down here, four possible locations that we can do this out of. So just that I thought was kind of interesting. But the first thing on our scavenger hunt is a red and white ferry. And we are going to go right down here where we can find this red and white ferry. And then we go to a bus crossing an intersection. And that is going to go right back here to this white bus right in the middle of that intersection. And then the three German flags. We have these three German flags on top of the building right here. So we are going to move on to our next picture, which is at the Reichstag. I believe it is really just a similar view, but a different picture. So our fourth item is a van that has "Go" written on the side, which is right here. As you can see, the red lettering says "Go." And very close to it as well, we have item 5, the yellow bus turning left. And then we are going to go ahead and find, here are those underground stairs, and there is a person walking up out of those. There are a few underground stairways that you could use, but that is the one that I am going to use here. And here now we are at the Berlin Victory Column, and we are going to go ahead and find our truck pulling a white trailer, which is right here. Our cement truck with its trailer there. We also have the only road with the median having cars parked on it. And there are a bunch of white trailers down here as well. Well, turns out I misspoke. This is our truck pulling a white trailer. It is not the white trailer cement truck. But we do also have the only road median that you can see that has cars parked on it, which I think is kind of interesting. And there is also a gray smart car that is parked next to a street lamp. Which is this car right in here. It cannot zoom any further. But there is our smart car next to the street lamp. I do think that this is a really cool program, especially because it kind of has this helicopter looking view almost, which I think is kind of cool. But if I was going to make a technology choice for an assignment like this, I probably would go with Google Maps and Google Earth for the rest of it. Thank you.